Hi, I'm Beth Burrell, and I did the Mark Smith 90-Day Mentoring Challenge. It was a really great series, and I would recommend it to everybody. There were people on it that were beginners who've never done Dynamics 365, to people like me who've been in the business for a while. And I think you can learn from everybody, because the people who haven't done it for forever have a different perspective, and they see it totally different than the way I see it. And as we know, in Dynamics 365, there's many ways to do several things. There were some one-on-ones with Mark, and then there were group sessions. The one-on-one with Mark helped you work on individual things that you have goals for, and he really listens to what you want to do. And the group sessions was great to learn, what you can do for yourself in the future once the series is over, what other people are doing, give you some ideas about how everything's running. But I think it was a great session, and people from, like I said, all over the world were on it. They're from Australia, Tampa, London, so definitely worth my time. I still have a lot more to learn. I feel I can reach out to Mark at any time. So I would definitely think everybody should jump on the bandwagon and go to Mark's 90-Day Mentoring Challenge. You also made a lot of new friends, so that's it.